just getting everything ready for a job tomorrow. This one should be interesting. I don't know about this guy, boys. I've got a feeling, so we might have to documentate it. Might have to do some documentations, you know what I mean? But yeah, do a little concrete, little laying of the pipe, you know what I mean? Big concrete background here in Inwood, you know? If you didn't even know, it's not this. When you buy cars, sometimes they come with like brand new 530 into it, brand new. So I'll just use that to fill up my my trencher, and hopefully there's still a little bit of oil into it when we need it tomorrow. And I don't even know if we'll be able to use it. We might need to hand dig this whole thing. Buddy's got utilities all over the place, willy-nilly. It's, you know, I mean, it's frustrating as even thinking about it for me, but this guy, I go give him a guesstimation. I friggin' tell him what we're gonna do. He agrees to it. I go to buy all the stuff. Well, the place in London only had half the stuff, so I had to go to London, and then I needed something else that was in Forest, so I had to go to Forest. So I had to drive like 4 hours, for, you know, at least 4 hours. And that's the thing. Like, you give a guy a price on stuff, right? And he's like, "Oh, you want $1 million to dig a trench?" Yes, I do, because I had to drive around for 3 days to get all the shit we're gonna bury in the ground at your house. Fuck, man. Plus, Felon wants cigarettes. Every day, cigarettes.
Cigarettes?
But he tells me, he says, after I've already discussed, I told him exactly what we're gonna do, how we're gonna do it, this and that, it's gonna be awesome. It's the only thing you can do. I mean, what else can you do? I can't make water go away with magic. I need to use a pipe. So after I go and drive around and get all the stuff and this and that, he said, you know, we're gonna go there the next day. We're gonna be there in the morning. He messaged me and he says, well, I don't know. He's like, I'm just worried that there's gonna be water coming out of a pipe every time it rains. Well, yeah, dude.
That's the way it works.
Like, oh man, so I quit. I had to quit because I was gonna start saying all type of stuff, right? I was just gonna start flipping out, acting all crazy.
Oh, fucking God.
Yeah, but I held my shit and I just never even did. Oh, this will be awesome. Watch this. I'm gonna try to get this on the dump trailer. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Watch this. Watch this, you guys. Got all the safeties still working and stuff, so that's good. Now watch this. frick sucks. I tried to crash it for my movie, but
I don't know, it didn't look like you tried that hard.
buddy, trying to get thumbs ups and stuff.
Oh, yeah, because guys would totally be giving you a thumbs up for crashing it, right?
Right, they would.
Yeah, of course they would.
They'd be like, "That's awesome! You f***ing just wrecked all your shit
Uh-huh.
for our entertainment." Oh man, what else do we need? Pipes and f***ing, oh my god, I quit. That's just f***ed. That's good. That's good how it had no oil in the gearbox, so I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Big fan of that. Big fan of the no oil in the gearbox. It's like gonna be like a customer like Pug One. Nothing will ever be good enough.
On the road.
Yeah, I don't want the water draining out onto the road every time it rains.
I just don't want the water draining.
Yeah,
I don't want the water draining.
Yeah, can you get the water out of here without draining it? Can you like, use some sort of flotation tech?
Yeah, let me just cast a fucking spell so
Yeah.
that the rain doesn't ever hit your house, bud. Like, you just create a dome around his fucking house.
Yeah, we could do that too. So that would stop water from getting in the back there.
Yeah.
Big time. Okay, well now I'm thirsty as frig because it's like, you know, it was minus 18 yesterday and now it's plus 207. So now I can't breathe and having a hard time swallowing. Oh dear. I apologize. Oh, we got everything loaded up there. We're just leaving the concretes here because, I mean, we got to dump some dirt anyway, so if we need to, we'll go pick up some, I just don't have any room. The trailer's full of water and stuff, so, but I don't even know if we're gonna actually be doing this, Joe. Listen. Major squeak. Squeak's getting worse. So we're probably, oh, hey, how handy, bros? It's probably just about ready to figure out what's making that squeaking noise. We're probably just about ready to find that out. Sounds of it. Probably just moisture though. It's probably just a little condensation. But I just had that throttle, just losing throttle for that one day. Hasn't really happened since. I can't remember if it did or not. I don't want to fabricate the on you, but I think it was just that one day. It's like wet or something maybe. I can't remember. But anyways, we'll go grab the felon and head over to this job. Oh, this guy's his character wants me to do magic or something. I'm not really 100% sure what his little operation consists of, but a lot of it is missing the reality portion. You know what I mean? So hopefully we can deviate from that. And this guy's dumb. But yeah, so I don't even know what is going to happen today because of just the sheer dumbness of this guy, right? So he actually told me that he doesn't want water coming out of the end of a pipe every time it rains. Well, I kind of figured this was going to happen. When you love digging, when you love playing traptor, sometimes it just doesn't work out. God, this is kind of not good. The whole component here is, I don't think it's supposed to do that. I'm not sure, but that's cool. That looks like the belt. So I think the belt's, oh, that's what it is. The belt slipped. That's what it is.
Yeah, definitely would have been.
Belt slipped there, so I'll have to have a look at that probably. I mean, I should have known. I should have known better. Just the things the guy was saying, just ridiculous. But I also want to play Traptor, so I have a new Traptor that I want to play with a fudge house. This is what I get. That's what I get. One thing that did be more better was that it didn't load up all the concrete and stuff. I mean, it's raining anyways. It would have been dead. But we got this fixed. I don't know. The bolts, The bolts just come undone. So those things, but yeah, she's fixed now, so. Oh, no, it's freaking raining. So good thing we didn't start, I don't know. You know, like having all type of monies, but. Got Kijiji too. Look at check I don't know. I didn't notice any leaks when I went and got it. But then and I asked him. I said, a leak? Nope, no leaks. Okay, cool. Thanks, man. Old guy, right? It's probably why everybody's always beating me to old guys, because it's just full of shit, ripping guys off and stuff. But yeah, so that came out within a few minutes of sitting there. So I checked the gearbox. None was in it. That's how much. I mean, you can see this. The hydraulics is sloshing around in there, so there's still some of that, but it's coming out too somewhere, so that's good. Oh, that's real good. I'll have to, oh my goodness, break this thing open or something. I think that's broken right there. I thought it was like a piece, but no, that's snapped.
Yeah. Yeah, it's only the fact that this handle was like holding it together.
Yeah, that's wonderful news. We found out, so.
So it almost looks like there's a crack forming there, but
Yeah, like somebody's welded it there and it's just broke because it's not the same there. Oh dear, I was looking forward to really hooting through some freaking utilities with this guy too. Maybe have power. Hey, if we got into the power with this one, you could probably make some sparklers, some good sparklers.
That's there, and then is there anything else? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Hard to tell. It's like, oh, okay. I thought you lived here. Sorry about that.
No.
Sorry for.
I mean, it seems like there was a lot of things he didn't really know about his own house.
Oh, I mean,
Whether the concrete, like who did the concrete? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, he's terribly concerned about the send. Oh, I just don't want to. Well, it's not even now. Like, it's totally uneven.
Yeah.
So the only thing we could possibly do would be make it more even. And I mean, worst case, we just pour a new end piece, like 6 bags of concrete or something. You know what I mean? Like, holy shit, relax, dude. Settle down, bud. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes you take the tractor out and to make all the money real fast. All the money. It's like, awesome. And then some days you make all the money, but it's not so awesome. It sucks. Like the stink modes and stuff. Like, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the stake mount myself. But then sometimes you fucking load up all the shit and drive all over the place to pick up materials, let's go to this and that, and then find out, well, you're way better off to just not, because oh no, oh no, oh no. Starter? Why?
Won't come out.
Can you just unbolt it? It's not the ones that unbolt.
Unbolted. Or even this fucker down here, just in case.